In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account to DoorDash Dasher. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app like you normally would, then select on this option that says choose how you get paid. Now this is going to appear if you just recently went ahead and became a Dasher. So just go ahead and press on it. And if you don't see that option, you could always activate it through settings. But then anyways, you're then going to be into a page that looks like this. And you can choose the DoorDash Crimson card over here or the weekly pay to your bank. So for this video, we're going to focus on the bank. So let's select on it, then press on continue. And then from here, you want to enter both your account number and your routing number. Now keep in mind, DoorDash won't be able to deposit earnings to a new bank account for 24 hours. So it is going to take time to actually verify that's actually you who owns the bank and stuff like that. So keep that in mind. There is going to be like a 24-hour delay before you're actually able to get paid out to your bank account. So just keep that in mind. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. You need to enter your account number and your routing number. And you can typically find these informations on like checks and of course on your banking app. So let's say, for example, Bank of America is the bank that you use. You need to go ahead and open that. And then you will be able to find your account number and your routing number. And you need to input it right over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.